you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm so excited. I have my first advent calendar to show you guys. This is by The Rituals. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so The Rituals, last year was the first time I got their box, and I was super impressed with the packaging and how you can display it afterwards. So this year, this was definitely on the top of my list that I wanted to grab. This one here is the 3D Advent Calendar. It's $125 plus tax. So I paid $133.75 total for this. Now, when I did kind of see the packaging, it's completely different, but I do see back here, it says includes Christmas lights. You need 2 AA batteries that are not included. So I'm like, ooh, so it is going to be still kind of like a little fancy little thing afterwards. So let's see. So when you first get it, this is how it comes. And it says in the back, The Rituals of Advent Countdown to Christmas. So let's get the sleeve off. And then you have this little ribbon that you can take off because it just has a little bungee, which you could save if you have a nice large box for Christmas that this will fit. You can save it and put it on another package. So there's that. There is a handle, I guess, on this end. It would be the bottom. So let's see how this opens. Oh, okay. So it comes like this, where basically we need to put it together. So let me just set it here. So it looks like we make a tree and then stick the little thingy bobbers in here. We hang them. We hang it by it. Okay, so you remove these top things from the top. I think I got it. Okay, so then once you have it together, you go through and you just push the ones that say push in. So then some are in and some are out. So whichever one says push, you just push that one in. And here will be the Christmas lights. And then it says to put the star on the top. We have power. Okay, so now I have it all where it's supposed to go. So you do have number 24 right on the top. That is the star of the show up there. So let's find, number 1 is right here. So let's see what is going to be inside of here. Oh, there is a candle. It said suede vanilla. I'm not too hip on vanilla. That does have like a different kind of scent in there with it. So it's not just vanilla, but there is this little candle here. On the back of this, it says, light this candle for a moment of pure tranquility with the enchanting aroma of this woodsy yet floral fragrance. And I love candles, so I'm game. Okay, so I found number 2. Ooh, all right, so we have a diffuser. So you have the little sticks to put inside. Let's see what scent it is before I open it, because if it's rose, no. It says, this luxury treat with mini fragrance sticks. Begin this month of Christmas by adding a harmonizing scent of sweet almond oil and Indian rose to your home. It says rose. I had a feeling. So this will go saved for one of you guys because I'm definitely not going to smell some rose, but I was super excited. So maybe somebody else will be excited about this one now. Okay, so I stuck it all back down in this box. What I'm planning on doing is saving products from subscription boxes and advent calendars from this point forward. And I'm gonna make my own advent calendar to give to one of you guys in a giveaway. So that's where this will go. So if you will like rose, stay tuned. Someone will win that in a future giveaway soon. Number 3. Okay, so I was like, what is this? So it must go with this, whatever this is. It says The Ritual Purify, Purifying Charcoal Wonder Mask. All right. So it looks like you're going to mix it together, put it on your face, and then rinse it off. I don't really care for this type of a product, so I will put this aside for one of you guys as well. So I will hold that for one of you guys to try out, but it is a purifying charcoal mud mask with a little scooping spoon. Number 4 is right here, nice and easy. We have another candle. This is Sweet Jasmine. I think last year, oh, that smells so good. I think last year we got the Sweet Jasmine one. I think that was my favorite one out of the candles last year, but that smells so good. So there's my second candle. Here's number 5. Okay, now this is sleep. Is this lavender? Hold on. Anything? Yep. Every time anything says sleep, I already know it's going to have lavender in it. So this will go for one of you guys as well. This is the Sleep Serene Foaming Shower Gel in Sacred Wood and Lavender. I love their shower gels, and that's what I was super, super excited about getting is the shower gels. But with lavender, not going to do it. Not getting a headache. So that will go for one of you guys to enjoy as well. Number 6. And this is a body mist. It is a tulip and Japanese yuzu. I'm not sure what that is. Let me just make sure. It says light body mist. I do not see lavender or rose in the ingredients, so I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and give it a sniff. Body spray with a light scent, and it does have a nice light scent. But that does smell really, really good. That does smell really good. So I'm really excited about that. Number 7. Ooh, what do we have? A Sport Cooling Shower Gel. I've never tried this one. Activated charcoal plus mint. I'm excited. Designed to make you feel revitalized. Power Recharge Technology. I am really, really excited. I love the ones that have like a cooling agent to them. If it's a body wash, if it's a face cleanser, I just like that, especially when it's a nice hot day, because it just makes me feel so nice and cool. So I'm really, really excited to try out that Sport Shower Gel. Number 8. Now we have is a mild body scrub paste, clay and white tea. Do good and good will come your way. All right, so it's a mild exfoliating body scrub. I'm super excited about that, and I love that color teal. So I'm really excited. Ooh, it smells nice. And it has slight little tiny granule things inside of there for the scrubbing part. Not too abrasive, not too hard or big or anything like that. So I'm excited to try that out. Number 9. It smells really good though. Okay, so for number 9, we got this little guy here. This is Glow Radiance Anti-Aging Day Cream. At least you can test it out, and if you like it, you can purchase the full size. But here is a small sample size of the Glow Radiance Day Cream. Number 10. And then down in here we have a soap bar, Sacred Lotus and Jujube. And so you have a soap bar. These small little guys are really good for like travel. And it does smell nice and clean. It has a really nice clean scent to it. So there is a soap bar. Number 11 feels heavy, maybe the other candle, because I think there's always 4. This one here is Savage Garden. That one I'm not smelling too much. I'm smelling my hand more with the body scrub and the body mist. That is, I can't really smell the scent of this one. So it just must not be too strong, because I really can't smell anything on that one right now. What was that? That was 11. So number 12. Let me turn you a little here. Oop. Alrighty then. Number 12. So you have this right here. This is good when you're in the shower and you're going to use like your body washes and that kind of stuff. You can put your little mitt on, put it on that, and use that to exfoliate your body. It says winter gloves. Treat yourself with a Christmas red scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin. So a scrub glove is what it's called. Number 13. I hope we get some more body washes in here that are in a scent that I'm gonna like. Oops, speaking of, here is a shower gel, Cedar Wood plus Vitamin E Complex. So yes, that one I'm definitely going to be using. So you have the body wash. And so number 14 is up here. Now we have, is this rose? Yep. This is a nourishing, rich body oil. Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So I will put that right back in the package, and this will go for one of you guys. So there's that guy. Number 15. We have, it's a shampoo, volume and nutrition. Are you rose though because you're pink? What scent are you? It just says shampoo made with love. So I don't have like a scent or anything. It just says volume and nutrition shampoo. Quickly, I don't see rose or lavender is not standing out in the ingredients, but I will go ahead and read that over one more time before I try it. But if I don't see those, I will definitely try this out. So let's see if we have the conditioner next. What number was this guy? 15? Number 16 is the conditioner. So volume and nutrition. So now we have the set, the shampoo, and the conditioner. Let me just smell this. It actually smells really, really good. I don't know what it is, but it smells really, really good. So I'm excited to try that out. Number 17. Let's see, what are you? Ooh, you have a keratin recovery hair mask. I kind of wish it was a little bit bigger for a hair mask, like at least this size, because this is probably only going to just touch my ends. I've never really seen a hair mask this small. Again, I really wish it was this size so I can at least get it through my whole hair. But you have a recovery hair mask, keratin and argan oil. I'll try it. I just know it's not going to, like, I'm not going to have it fill my whole head of hair. And my hair's so thin and short. That's a little tiny sample. Number 18, this is going to be probably the fourth and final candle. Yes, it is. And it is Precious Amber. Ooh, that smells nice. I'm so glad though that none of the candles were like a lavender or rose. I think last year one of them was. But that does smell really good. So there's the fourth and final candle. Now let's go with number 19. We're almost done. Ooh, now this is a nice size. I wish the shampoo and conditioner was this size. Magic Touch Body Cream, rice milk and cherry blossom. So you have a body cream, like a body lotion to put all over, and it has the rice milk and cherry blossom scent. I do like that that is a nice size. This is the largest size bottle so far. Now let's go with number 20. All right, so number 20, I will save for one of you guys because I'm seeing a whole lot of glitter and glimmer and shimmer all in there. This says it is Soul Shimmering Body Oil, 1 fluid ounce. So that I will put right, what one did I take this out of, 21? I'll put it down in this little 17 box so it's a little smaller because that was a big box for that. So there's that. 21. This one feels nice and heavy. Oh, what is this? We have Coconut Milk Bath, Indian Rose. Let me save that box because it's going right back in there. This says Coconut Milk Bath, Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. So I guess you just open this, you pour some in your bath, and you can just pour as much in your bath as you want, so you can use this for several different times. Discover the ancient art of living wisely and enhance peace and harmony in everyday life. I don't take baths, so I would have saved this for one of you guys either way, but it just sealed the deal with the rose. So I will stick that. You know what? I'll probably just stick this little mitt. I'll try to shove it down in top of there so these two can go in the same little bin here. So I shove both of those down in that one. Now we have number 22. 22, we have Relax Instant Care Hand Lotion. Nice. Let's go ahead and just see what this one smells like. I love a good hand cream. So, so you have a hand cream and then you have like a body like lotion. So you can put that one anywhere. This one smells nice and woodsy. It's a nice like fall type winter scent. That's definitely different. Okay, you guys, 23, and then we only have one more left, which is the star on the top. So let's see what is in number 23. Is this a lipstick or is it like the chapstick like I got last year? And if it is, I'm excited. On the package here, it says Mistletoe Moments. Prep, moisturize, and protect your lips before applying your festive lipstick shade with this full-size Fortune Balm. So yes, that's what it is. It's really neat though with the packaging. You press this right here and then that pops out and then you can open it up and it is a balm. This is really, really nice and nourishing. I really enjoyed it. So I'm glad we have another one. So it says Repair Natural Lip Care. I'm really, really excited about that one right there. So there's that. And then let's go with the top. On the top, the number 24 star. It says Festive Fragrance. Ooh, let's see what you are. Let's get you opened. Oh, how cute is that package? Last year we had one that was like a musky, woodsy type scent, and I really did enjoy it, and I used the whole entire thing down to the last little spritz that I could squeeze out of it. So I'm so glad to see another one, but this is a cute, cute package. Look how cute is that? Let's see what the scent is on this one. It does have the little spray top. Let me spray it actually on a box because I have so many scents going on myself right now. That is different. Definitely different than last year's. I don't know how to put my, like what it smells like. I can't put something to it, but it does smell really, really nice. So let me just put some, let me just put some on anyway. I'm going to be smelling like all kinds of things today. But I think that package is super, super cute. So that is door number 24. So I have 4 candles. I have some body wash. I have some shower gels. I have some lotions, a shampoo and conditioner, a soap bar, like balm, a perfume, a body mist, the hair mask. Oops, there goes that. There's the hair mask, there's the soap bar, and then there's all like 6 of these products right here that I'm gonna save for one of you guys because of the product or the rose or the lavender. So that is everything that came in this year's 2022 Rituals Advent Calendar. Okay, you guys, so what did you think of this calendar? I'm going to say I think last year's packaging was more useful than this year's. I don't see me keeping this sitting out because it just looks a little cheesy. Last year's was super, super cute with the whole little village and the lights like lit up each individual little house in there. It was super, super cute. I've never seen anything like that before. I do like that they did something this year. I just think last year's was a whole lot better, but I don't get it for the packaging. I get it for the products, and for the products, I'm extremely happy with what I have. I love the Rituals products, so I'm super, super happy. When I get my shower gels, body washes, that kind of stuff, I'm super excited. So there's that. That is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this calendar? What did you think of it as compared to last year's? Are you the same with me? You think last year's packaging was better, or do you like this year's packaging? I just feel like there's not a whole lot of thought that went into this one myself. But again, I like the products inside, not the packaging. But last year's I did keep, and if I want to like display it, I still have that to display. This one I'm not going to keep. So there's that. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So thanks for watching my very first advent calendar of this year. I'm so, so excited to get more as they come in. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.